How to download the Deriv trading bot. Go to this bot and click Start. Then click Buy Now and purchase the bot code. After successful deposit, you can download the Deriv AI bot code files. Download all the files. If your Deriv trading account balance is less than 20, then use file 20. If your account balance is more than 20 but less than 50, then use file 2050. If your account balance is more than 50 but less than 100, then use file 50. 100. If your account balance is more than 100, then use file 100. First test this bots in demo account, then use in real account. And you can download bonus files packets worth more than $200. You can get it for free. Later you can test this bot codes in demo account. My current balance is $32. So I will select the 20 to 50 strategy file. Next, go to the charts and add a 100-period moving average. This helps to identify whether the market is trending or not. If the market is trending, start the bot. If the market is not trending, wait for a better opportunity. Even when the market is trending, if it starts moving sideways, stop the bot. Now let's see how this guy is making $20 in 30 seconds. You also can do the same. Telegram bot link is in the description.